Okay, now I'm gonna give you some tips on how to use elemental reactions. Basically, if you freeze something, it's going to melt if you use fire. If it's electricity, if you use fire, it's going to overburn. Okay, so let's try fire first. Let's try freeze. Then we're gonna melt it and see how effective it is compared to physical attacks. There you go. Then I'm going to melt it. The damage is higher. There, freeze. Now that overload is from the electricity because they are electrical enemies, so if you use fire, it's overloaded, so it adds additional damage. See? 22,000. So the damage is really significant. Let's try freeze. This one is frozen. Now you have melt. See? And because of the melt, its defense is down. Overloaded. Now let's try Barbara. Electro charge. Because water conducts electricity, so it doesn't make any effect because it just conducts electricity. But if you do freeze again, then fire, overloaded, you have to just know how to time it so that before it melts you can use fire effect ER.
Freeze!
Overloaded. Now on top of their head you can see that means that they are charged. So if there's a fire growing there, that means they are burning. If there's ice, that means they are frozen. So depending on what's on top of their head, you use the corresponding element. So see, there's no more electrical element there, so it will just be a normal attack damage. See, 924. Because there's no elemental effect. Not like this, it has the electric elemental effect. So when you add fire, you overload it. Then do this. Charge. See the effect. Then when there's damage, you can always use Barbara. Use her special. Then attack the enemies even if the damage is low, so that you can heal the whole party. See, all the damage gone. Then actually we can freeze them also using this. See? It's frozen because we use Barbara. We put water first. Then we put ice. Wrong one. Conduct, and we put the water. Water first. There, see? That's the freeze effect. So you just need to experiment which one is comfortable with you. So this is the basic effect. So if you have encounter an enemy with the opposite, and you have an opposite element in your team, you can use that as an advantage.
Dodge this.
See? Keep on moving, I close it. So that's all for the basic elemental reaction.